Stop. Okay, get up. Ready? Up. Okay, let's start walking. What are you doing? What? What do you need help with? You just fell down. You're stuck. You try and get up. Try and get up. Good job. What are you doing? You need help? Why do you need help? You got up? Good job. Wait, no, what happened? What happened? You can get up. Come on. Let's go. What are you doing? Come on. Yeah, you got a stick? Okay, bring that stick. Let's go see Daddy. Come on. Grr. Grr. Okay, ready to go? Bye. See ya. Wait for what? Come on.